107-year-old Romanian doctor drinks it, but don't make the same mistake many people do. Ingredients: tomatoes, carrot, lemon water. When it comes for healthy heart and liver, tomato offers several benefits. Tomatoes rich in antioxidants. Tomatoes are packed with antioxidants like lycopene, vitamin C, and beta-carotene, which help protect the heart and liver from oxidative stress. These antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce the risk of heart disease and liver damage. Tomatoes high in fiber. Tomatoes are a good source of dietary fiber, which promotes heart and liver health. Fiber helps lower cholesterol levels, regulates blood sugar levels, and aids in digestion, reducing the risk of heart disease and liver-related conditions such as fatty liver disease. Tomatoes nutrient-dense. Tomatoes are a nutrient powerhouse, containing essential vitamins and minerals such as potassium, folate, and vitamin K, which are beneficial for heart and liver function. These nutrients support healthy blood pressure, regulate liver enzymes, and aid in the production of blood clotting factors. When it comes for healthy heart and liver, carrot offers several benefits. 1. Heart health support. Carrots are rich in antioxidants, specifically beta-carotene, which helps reduce the risk of heart disease. Beta-carotene converts into vitamin A in the body, promoting healthy blood flow, reducing cholesterol levels, and supporting overall heart health. Drink 1 glass before bed, but do not forget about contraindications. Be sure to consult your doctor before use.